Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to lose fat with honey. Honey, a natural sweetener, can be a healthier alternative to refined sugars, potentially aiding your weight management efforts. It contains beneficial compounds like antioxidants that support overall health while you work towards your fat loss goals. By using honey in moderation, perhaps 1 or 2 tablespoons daily, you can satisfy sweet cravings without resorting to less healthy options, making your journey more enjoyable and sustainable. Honey can offer sustained energy, which is vital for fueling your workouts and daily activities, contributing to greater calorie expenditure. Unlike table sugar, honey may help regulate blood sugar levels more effectively, preventing sharp spikes and crashes that can lead to increased hunger. Some research suggests that honey can positively influence fat metabolism when consumed thoughtfully, helping your body utilize fat stores more efficiently as an energy source. Incorporating honey into your daily routine is simple and delicious. You can replace refined sugar with 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey in your morning tea or coffee. Try adding a single teaspoon of honey to your oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothie for natural sweetness and added nutrients. Many find a warm glass of water with 1 tablespoon of honey and a squeeze of lemon in the morning to be a refreshing and beneficial start to their day. For effective fat loss, remember to always consume honey in moderation, typically limiting yourself to 1 or 2 tablespoons per day. It is crucial to combine honey consumption with a balanced diet, focusing on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Furthermore, regular physical activity, including both cardiovascular exercise and strength training, remains absolutely essential for achieving and maintaining sustainable fat loss results. Honey is a helpful tool, not a standalone solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.